Welcome to episode 122 of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at volume price analysis. Again, we'll take a look at how to use volume with your Forex trading in order to improve the trades. We will look at how to identify this type of trade setup, how to use the volume, where to enter the trade, where to place your stop loss, and most importantly, how to exit the trade with a profit. So let's go on to the charts now. We'll take a look at how to use volume with price action in order to take better trades. So in this case, we are looking at New Zealand US dollar 1 hour chart. As we can see, price has been going back and forth, and then it comes and hits this support and resistance level. And once price comes to this level, we see that the price starts to pull away from this level. Now we can layer volume on top of this to see if there is a trading opportunity available. As we can see here, as price is going up, our volume down here is green, which shows that this is buying volume. As the price comes into this support and resistance level, we see that the volume starts to decline. And once price hits this level, we see that the volume is actually not going higher. So even though the volume is green, the price is actually not moving higher. So this is the first clue that we have, that there's a divergence between what the volume is telling us and what the price is doing. So when we see a divergence between volume and price, generally it means that price is not likely to go higher, or we could see a reversal. So in this case, as we see here, as price closes, as we see this bearish engulfing candle close, the volume starts to turn here. So now price is holding below our support resistance area, and then on this candle here, we see that the volume actually turns red. So once this candle closes, we look for a bit of a pullback and we enter our trade short. And now we're looking for price to move lower. Our stop goes above the highs here, making sure there is room for trade to breathe. And we continue on with the trade as our price moves lower, and we trail our stops behind. And as we can see here, as the price drops here, the volume starts to go up. And for the most part, we are seeing an increasing red volume here. There's one bar where we see the green volume come in, but after that it turns into red volume and price picks up speed. And then once we get into this level here, this support and resistance area, we can see that the volume starts to turn neutral here. The white here means that it's neutral volume, so the selling volume is not there anymore. So this is a good place to exit our trade. And as we can see, price goes into the weekend here, and then we have gap down. Do not recommend holding the positions into the weekend because we could see gaps in price, and that can be detrimental to our account. So we exit our trade here. So just to recap here, we are using price action with volume to help us place better trades. So in this example, price comes into support and resistance area, and then we can see that price is rejecting this level. We have a pin bar, a bearish engulfing candle, which from price action perspective tells us that we are likely to see price go lower, and this is then confirmed by our volume, where even though the volume shows buying volume, but there's divergence with price action, and once our volume lines up with our price action, that is the time to enter the trade. So we enter the trade short here. Our stop goes above the highs here, and we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving lower. And as we can see, we have increasing selling volume here, which is the red volume. And once the volume turns neutral here and price is not going any lower, it's time for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 123 pips in the trade, or a profit of $1,230 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this trade setup, please feel free to share it with your friends. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another great trade setup tomorrow.